What if three numbers could unlock the secrets of the universe? What if the patterns in the cosmos are not just random, but mathematically predestined? And what if the ideas of a visionary like Nikola Tesla could guide us to manifest our deepest desires? Hello everyone, and welcome to Mystic Whisper, your guide to the mystical and the magical. Today, we're going to explore the enigmatic 369 manifestation method, a concept inspired by the genius of Nikola Tesla and deeply intertwined with the intriguing patterns of Vortex Math. These ideas propose that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 are far more than mere digits. They are cosmic codes, guiding principles that shape our reality and can be harnessed to bring your dreams into existence. The 369 manifestation method. At the heart of the 369 manifestation method is a simple, yet profound practice of harnessing the vibrational power of numbers. This technique involves focusing on your desires and aligning your thoughts with the vibrational frequencies of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. Here's how it works. Morning intentions. Upon waking, write down your desire 3 times. This is more than just a repetitive exercise, it's a ritual of setting a powerful intention for the day. By focusing on your goal immediately after waking, when your mind is still in a state of heightened receptivity, you prime yourself for success. This practice taps into the creative energies of the number 3, often associated with growth, expansion, and the triad of mind, body, and spirit. Afternoon reinforcement. At midday, write your desire 6 times. This step deepens your commitment and keeps your goal at the forefront of your thoughts, reinforcing your intention during the peak productive hours of your day. The number 6 resonates with harmony, balance, and nurturing, suggesting that this repetition helps harmonize your internal energy with your external actions, creating a balanced pathway towards your goals. Evening affirmations. Before bed, write your desire 9 times. As you wind down, this process embeds your desire into your subconscious mind, allowing it to work behind the scenes while you sleep. The number 9 is often seen as a symbol of completion and fulfillment, making it the perfect number to anchor your intentions as you move into the restorative phase of sleep, where your mind consolidates memories and insights. But why 3, 6, and 9? The answer lies in the insights of one of history's most brilliant minds, Nikola Tesla, and the power of 3, 6, and 9. Nikola Tesla, the enigmatic inventor and visionary, once said, "If you only knew the magnificence of the 3, 6, and 9, then you would have the key to the universe." Tesla's work spanned numerous fields, from electrical engineering to physics, and he is often celebrated as one of the most innovative minds of the 20th century. His fascination with these numbers wasn't merely a personal quirk, it was based on his deep understanding of their mathematical and energetic properties. Tesla believed that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 were the fundamental building blocks of the cosmos, representing a deeper layer of reality that governed the structure of the universe. He saw these numbers as a kind of universal language or code that could explain the mysteries of existence and energy. For instance, Tesla's work with alternating current, AC, and his understanding of resonance and frequencies were often influenced by his recognition of these numerical patterns. Tesla's insight into these numbers extended to his everyday life. He was known to circle a building 3 times before entering, and he preferred hotel rooms with numbers divisible by 3. These behaviors, while seemingly eccentric, were rooted in his belief that 3, 6, and 9 held a special power that aligned with the natural order of the universe. This alignment, he thought, could tap into an unseen energy that could bring about profound changes in both the physical and metaphysical realms. Vortex Math. To understand why Tesla was so captivated by 3, 6, and 9, we turn to Vortex Math, a numerical system developed by Marco Rodin that reveals the underlying patterns of energy in the universe. Vortex Math is based on the idea that numbers follow a repeating cycle, and that this cycle can describe the behavior of energy and matter in a way that is consistent with the fundamental principles of nature. In Vortex Math, the numbers 1 through 9 are mapped out in a spiral, showing a continuous flow of energy that mirrors the vortex-like structures found throughout nature, from the spirals of galaxies to the whorls of our DNA. This system suggests that numbers are not linear but cyclical, with each digit carrying a specific vibrational frequency that influences the universe's dynamic processes. Within this system, the numbers 3, 6, and 9 are unique, because they do not follow the same repetitive sequences as the other numbers. When you look at the doubling sequence 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5, and then back to 1, you notice that 3, 6, and 9 never appear. This anomaly indicates that they represent a different plane of existence, a higher dimensional reality that transcends the ordinary cycles. These numbers are seen as holding the key to understanding the energy patterns that govern our physical and metaphysical worlds. The idea of vortex math aligns closely with many ancient philosophies and modern scientific theories, suggesting that there is a deep, underlying order to the cosmos. By understanding and applying the principles of vortex math, we can begin to see how the 369 manifestation method aligns with these cosmic patterns, tapping into the fundamental frequencies that govern our reality. Applying the 369 method in your life. To manifest your desires using the 369 method, start by clearly defining what you want to achieve. This clarity is crucial because it sets a specific target for your intentions and helps you focus your thoughts and actions on a singular goal. Follow the daily routine of writing your intention in sets of 3, 6, and 9, and pay close attention to the feelings and energies that arise within you as you do so. This practice is not just about mindless repetition, it's about cultivating a deep, emotional connection to your goals and aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the universal forces at play. As you engage with this method, immerse yourself in the process and visualize your desired outcome vividly. Imagine the joy, satisfaction, and fulfillment you will feel once your desire is realized. This emotional engagement is essential because it amplifies the vibrational energy of your intention, making it more powerful and more likely to attract the circumstances that will bring your goals to fruition. During this practice, you may begin to notice synchronicities and signs from the universe, unexpected opportunities, chance encounters, or intuitive insights that guide you toward your desired outcomes. These synchronicities are not mere coincidences, but indicators that you are in alignment with the universal energies. Stay open to these messages, trust in the process, and maintain a positive and receptive mindset. The 369 manifestation method, inspired by the wisdom of Tesla and the patterns of vortex math, offers a powerful tool for aligning with the universe's creative energies. By embracing these principles and integrating them into your daily life, you can tap into the profound power of numbers to create the life you desire. Thank you for watching this episode. Please let me know in the comments section about the next topic you'd like to explore. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos that explore the mystical and spiritual dimensions of our existence. See you soon in our next episode.